Alright, y'all, we back. This is the one. 1966 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. She has the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is 10 out of 10. Frame and floor pans are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has a set of 22-inch spokes and vogues. Trunk is nicely done. If you're looking for something perfect, check it out. This might be the one for you. She's absolutely beautiful. And this was actually the boss's personal car. And he take real good care of his cars. So you're getting something that's real nice. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. As y'all can see, she's solid as a rock. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk enclosure is nicely done. She's absolutely beautiful. Just one speaker, not too much. Absolutely beautiful. She has power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Custom center console, nicely done. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out that dash. Mileage reads a little over 75,000. Upper dash. Lower. Check out that console. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, new alternator, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.